Welcome. I've been busy at work testing the Nothing Phone 2 for all of the subscribers and viewers on YouTube. However, I did just come across an article that basically states Samsung is manufacturing a foldable display for Apple. Yes, it is true. There was a picture that was leaked from inside the Samsung manufacturing plant or an R&D plant, research and development plant, where somebody snuck a picture of a diagram, basically an internal document that states and shows what the foldable display looks like. Gave us a little insight as far as what it will look like. Now, it is for Apple. Yes, Apple is designing a foldable. Now, what we don't know if this is in production or if this is like I said, a research development type of project. However, there's one little factor that might say it's not R&D, that it might be production, although I kind of doubt it. But look, here's the deal. The picture was taken inside of a manufacturing plant. So that plant typically manufactures for production, not for testing. But you never know. Whatever. It could have, for whatever reason, they could have had not much room or the materials to build the foldable display in their R&D manufacturing plant, and they chose to run a few thousand units in the main manufacturing plant from Samsung. I don't know. What I do know is that that's pretty cool. Apple, if you are unaware, Apple actually uses Samsung for their displays. Now, in the past, I think Samsung has manufactured something like 80 to 90% of iPhone displays. If you did not know, yes, you are. If you're on an iPhone, you are viewing me on a Samsung display. But they don't do 100% of the Apple iPhone displays. Why? Because Apple doesn't want to give 100% doesn't want to give another company 100% leverage on any one thing or any one part, basically. Apple has done that for years. They will tend to not give 100% of every manufacturing part or piece of an iPhone. They tend to give 5, 10, even I think down to as low as 2% to another company, just in case that company that would make 100% of your speakers could basically stop making them and make these large demands. Apple wants to know that, okay, well, we got 5% production in this place, we know that the other place can do it, we just got to ramp up production. So long story short, it does not say if it will be a phone or iPad. However, could be a new MacBook. It could be a foldable MacBook, or where the actual hinge is, the screen here, the keyboard here, the screen could come up and cover like 25% of the foldable, or where the hinge is. You never know. However, what we do know is that Apple is dibbling and dabbling, inside the foldable world. Now, the picture, Lord have mercy, the picture that was leaked is in the design of a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, Z Flip 5, where it's a clamshell type of design. That's why it's getting some people excited inside of the phone world, because at first glance, when you see this leaked photo, it's Samsung manufacturing a foldable for Apple. It looks like the Z Flip 4, Z Flip 5, where it's the old school Motorola StarTAC style clamshell alligator mouth phone. No other information as far as who's making the hinge. Samsung has said that they have a completely foldable hinge now, and we will see. I am going to live stream the Samsung Unpacked event on the 26th, which I think is... Damn, that's next week. I am going to live stream that. I'm going to do more live streams. I did a live stream this morning on the Nothing Phone 2 Q&A. Go over to my live section in YouTube and you will see it there. So that is all the information on Samsung making this foldable display for Apple. If you ask me, if I had to bet money, I would think that Apple is going to make a foldable iPhone. That's what I believe. I think going to a foldable display MacBook is too far of a leap for Apple. I think even a foldable tablet, iPad, is taking one step too far for Apple. As far as in the future, I can definitely see it happening, but not at this point right now. As well, that doesn't mean there's going to be a foldable iPhone 15. More than likely, it'll probably be in the iPhone 16 or 17. Now, these Samsung, Apple, they design iPhones 3 to 4 years in advance. Now, that doesn't mean they got production units or testing units 4 years in advance, but they at least draw up the design, the schematics, what internals they want, the goals that they have set for that device. They start way in advance. So this could even come out, like I said, on the iPhone 17. But it does mean that they are thinking about foldables. And it's cool. It's neat. The industry needs this. We need more. This is ever evolving technology. Right on par. Par for the course. So very exciting. So please subscribe to the channel. Yes, as far as live streams, check this out. I'm doing the Nothing Phone 2 testing. But as far as the live streaming, I want y'all to join. What I want to do is I want to go live at a specific time, not every day, once a week, maybe twice a week, but definitely at least once a week. And I'm going to run down the weeks, probably about an hour long. I would like to be maybe Friday afternoon, maybe Sunday afternoon, run down the week's top 5 tech stories. Explain them, what it means to you, to me, the industry, the world, any news that has gone on with any 3 of my devices, the Samsung, the Google Pixel, and the Nothing Phone 2. Between those 3, I'll find something that will involve one of those 3 devices, if not more. But I want to get on a schedule live stream, because you know, when something is scheduled, if you know something's coming on at 8 p.m. every single Sunday night, you're going to tune in. And if you just live stream sporadically, you know, hit or miss, you may catch it this time, you may not. You may catch it one other time, you may not. You're more likely, if you do miss a scheduled live stream, if I go live every Sunday night at 8 p.m., and let's say I do it for, I don't know, 3 months straight, or you watch for 3 months straight as well. Let's say you miss an episode, you are more likely to go back and watch that episode, being that it's a scheduled show, than if you just randomly miss a Thursday morning show, right? So I am actually, you know what, let's do that. I'll set it right here right now, and you can hold my feet to the fire. I'm doing NFL. I have a new NFL channel. I'll link in the description as well, that I'm live streaming on. So Sunday's probably not going to work. I'm guessing it's going to have to be maybe Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. Let's do right now. I don't know. To be continued. Let me think about it. I don't want to waste y'all's time. I need to think, but I promise you, when I hit y'all with the next video, I will let you know when it is scheduled, and I will stay on that schedule. I can even live stream from my phone, so if I'm out of the house like this right here, I can still live stream, so it's no big deal. So whatever. I will keep y'all updated on that, and check y'all next time. Peace out.